Bitizen is a new generation, MPC-based Web3 wallet with no private keys and no seed phrases. Designed for the new wave of Web2 users. Bitizen provides the highest level of security while staying simple and easy to use. Other notable features are full privacy safety, censorship resistance, and multi-chain compatibility. Now, let's recover your Bitizen wallet. First step. Select the Restore button and mark Agree next to the user agreement and privacy policy. Then complete anti-bot verification to restore your Bitizen wallet. Next step. Enter the email address you used to create your wallet. Pass anti-bot and type in the verification code from your mailbox. Next step. Bitizen wallet will use the phone camera to collect some of your facial features and encrypt them to compare with the original face scan data. Please note that it is not KYC procedure. Your personal information is always anonymous and privacy safe. Move your phone so your face is in the oval frame. Click Start and follow the instructions to complete the face scan. Next step. Confirm to enable the device lock. Select the cloud drive you used to back up your wallet. Last step. After the recovery is completed, wallet restore is finished. You can use your wallet to manage assets as usual now. Thanks for using the Bitizen wallet. This is the tutorial for restoring Bitizen wallet. Follow the official Bitizen accounts for more information.